Hi everyone, so we are featuring the Worth Yellow Abrasive Roll, a high quality sandpaper that has got aluminium oxide particles, a strong resin-over-resin bond, and also a nice firm paper backing. These rolls of sandpaper come supplied in a 50-meter roll, and it is also exactly 115 millimeters wide, which means it is so easy to utilize on your half sheet orbital sander, and also no more folding or tearing of pages, which also causes some wastage from time to time. This product is predominantly used by the woodworking industry, your shop fitters, joiners, carpenters, but could also be utilized by your general woodworkers, people doing renovations, painters and spray painters.